Hello friends, I am your friendly host Anmol and welcome to my channel It's Anmol World. Today we are going to unbox and review the premium quality earbuds PTron 581 TWS. In this video we will unbox it, discuss its features and share our experience. Here we have our PTron 581 TWS earbuds box. The box itself designed very elegantly and it contains all the product information printed on it. Let's open it and take a look. Look, here are our PTron 581 TWS earbuds. They look really sleek even inside the box. The color of the earbuds is beautiful and their design is also attractive. Speaking of these earbuds, they are very comfortable to wear. They fit perfectly in my ears and provide a good seal. The sound quality is also excellent. They come with noise cancellation technology, which effectively blocks external noise. Additionally, they feature Bluetooth 5.0 technology, ensuring a stable connection and battery life. In fact, better battery life. So that was unboxing video and review of video Petron 581 TWS earbuds. I really like their quality, comfort and sound performance. If you are interested in getting these high quality earbuds, you can make a purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, It's Anmol World, where you will find more information about other excellent products. Thank you and see you in the next video. Have a nice day.